Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze forecast next week forecast for your gold trading. So last week we made massive profit gold trading. You can join with Telegram, link is below. So I am in a weekly chart gold. This is the last week candle. It is still in strong bias candle, bullish candle bias is still interesting to buy gold. So geo global tensions is that's the FX Street website mentions gold price rises, geopolitical tension rises. So more geopolitical tensions is there. So gold price is still in uptrend. Gold is still demand. Bias is still interesting to buy gold. So more geopolitical uncertainty, more military wars and trade wars is there. This is the daily charts. So this is the double top. What do you think? So if this double top, so next support level is the 3200 level is the next strong support level. That's the technically picture in the daily chart. So that's the technical picture indicate. So next week, what is the economic data interesting important economic event is the next week. So inflation report, US CPI yearly report is the next week. So CPI yearly report 2.4% is the forecast is also 2.4%. So inflation report more important economic event in next week. So last FOMC meeting was held in last week. That's the 4.5 is the current interest rate. So last FOMC meeting Fed hold the rate in the 4.5%. That's the effect. Fed watch tool indicates June FOMC meeting. So 82% above 75% already post the rate in 4.5%. That's the Fed watch tool forecast. That's the indicate. So rate pause indicates in next FOMC meeting. Inflation reports is the important in next week if we are trading gold. So regarding US dollar, so that's the important economic data. So I'm going to the 4-hour charts. So what is the important level zones you should touch with the next week gold trading? So this level, these two levels are more important. This level is the 3275 level. This is the strong support level. Last Friday again price push from this level, and this resistance level 3350 level. These two levels important. You can see price several times support from this level, and the last week Friday also pushed from this level. You can see that this level important support zone with the 4-hour chart technically. So resistance is there. This is the resistance. So this is the 3350 level. So price if break this resistance and retest this resistance important. So remember gold is the safe haven asset. So gold demand with the safe haven asset. So next week also global uncertainty continuing. That's the gold price can be pushed to the upside like this. So if you are trading gold, so if you touch with the global uncertainties as the safe haven asset is the gold. So next week resistance is the 3500 is the next week is strong resistance. That's the one thing. So and I am seeing here technically pattern. So technically pattern in the 4-hour chart technical picture I am seeing here this type of pattern. So this trend line I am seeing here. So with the 4-hour chart technically this trend line. So this is the trend line price push from this the uptrend in last week. So this trend line also I am seeing here pattern in left head and shoulder pattern also I am seeing here in this trend line. So this is the pattern I am seeing. This is the can be left shoulder and head, and can be this can be a right shoulder. So that's the pattern I am seeing here. So if this trend line break out next week, that's the sell opportunity you have. So break out this trend line retest, that is your sell opportunity. So next target is the 3,200 is the next level target. So that's the two options. Global uncertainty continuing, that can be gold demand. So otherwise, so this trend line breakout, so price section, that's your sell opportunity in gold. So you can join with my Telegram, link is below. Get the accurate gold signals analysis with the technical and fundamental. So next week important economic events is the US inflation report. That's the next week is the you should touch with this economic data regarding US dollar if you are trading gold. So CPI yearly report is the next week important report regarding US dollar. So that's the important thing. So you can join with my Telegram link and make good profit from the gold trading and make good capital increase, your capital increase from the trading. So this is the 1 hour chart also, so join with it. So thank you very much.